Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.